my wife's 21 GLI Autobahn. Apparently she's feeling pumpkin spicy. She's got the fall colors going on the dash. And I've got my less aggressive Catback exhaust here. So this is the factory downpipe paired with my full Catback featuring the same resonator I use on all of my systems, along with the less aggressive muffler, and you'll see that later in this video. This is the only one of these systems to ever exist. I did a video previously without the resonator, and over the year and a half or so it's been on the car, I added the resonator. So I'll show you how that sounds here now. So normal driving, it's very tame, no cabin drone. For whatever reason, just the GLI being a heavier car, option for option, these exhaust systems are a little bit louder versus the GTI counterpart. I also kind of credit some of that towards the 7-speed DSG in this car. And I've noticed the same on the GTI and the R. The 7-speed tends to just keep the engine at a range that's a little bit harder to tame the kind of the deep bassy sound of the Gen 3 TSI's engine exhaust note. So this system is for 2019 through 21. If somebody's able to bring me a 21 through current GLI, there is a slight difference in the exhaust tip width. So that'd be the determining factor on offering those. But this, as well as both of my front mount intercooler options, both V1 and V2, the 3-inch downpipe, 4-inch downpipe, which are both check engine light free, and the OEM fitment resonated mid pipe to pair with either of those downpipes or several of my competitors' options, which replaces the factory resonator with an upgrade, same as what's used in this system. Those are available for this car as well. And that'll include the 21 through current GLI, because obviously not messing with the tips if you're doing just a mid pipe and a downpipe. So now that I've got the car warmed up, I can show you some acceleration. I always like to get the engine temp up to at least 180 in all these 2.0 TSIs to make sure we got proper oil into the turbo. So if you've watched this video this far, you'd probably be interested to know that this particular exhaust is up for grabs, as we are looking to sell or trade in this car and move into something a little bit bigger for the wife. So if you're interested in that, my email will be in the description, and hopefully get one of you guys a good discount on this exhaust versus a new one. Switching back to the factory Catback, since my less aggressive you just saw is for sale. Literally the heaviest Catback I've ever seen in my life on these Mark 7 GLIs.